Let me introduce myself. I am Nommensen Nabisuk Tampubolon from class 11 Science 3. Here I will make the endothermic reaction. Step 1. Prepare the tools and ingredients for cooking tempe Mendoan. The ingredients needed are tempe, dough, scallions, roiko, salt, and pepper. Step 2. Add the tempe and spices to the mixture. Step 3. Mix and stir everything until evenly mixed. Step 4. Put in a frying pan that has been oiled. Step 5. Wait until it turns brown. When tempe mendoan is fried, an endothermic reaction occurs, marked by the change in temperature from cold to hot. Secondly, an endothermic reaction can be observed through the color change from the white batter to a brownish shade. Third, there is a change in aroma, producing the distinctive smell of the tempe mendoan. Temperature change can also be noticed from the steam or smoke released when the tempe mendoan is cut after frying. Lastly, there is a change in taste. So the conclusion is that mendoan tempe is included in the endothermic reaction when fried in hot oil. Thank you. That's the presentation from Nomensen about the endothermic reaction in mendoan tempe.
Okay, first put the pudding powder into the pan. Okay guys, for the second step, you can use 2 glasses of water and add it to the pan, but you can depending the water on your taste. So guys, after you add the waters, you can add 2 tablespoons of sugar, but you can depend again on your taste. So, after everything are in the pan, you can stir until well combined. After that, turn on the stove and cook the pudding until it boils. But you should to keep stirring it until mixed well. After boiling it and leaving it for a moment, you can move the pudding mixture into the pudding mold. And after that, you can leaving it again until the pudding mixture be hardened. While we waiting the pudding mixture be hardened, we can make a fluff for the topping of pudding. So this is a step for make a fluff. First, you can add 1 glass of water to the pan. After that, we can add the sweetened considered milk and 3 tablespoons of sugar. And after that, we can add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And for the last, you can add vanilla extract. And after that, mix again. And after that, turn on the stove and cook the flour on the low heat until thickened. While you're stirring the flour, you can also add a little bit of salt. After the pudding hardness, we can take it out from the mold, and after that we can put it down to the plate, and after that we can cut it as your taste. And the last step, you can add the flour on the pudding and voila, is done. So, this tutorial for make the popcorn. The first you should to prepare the butter and corn kernels. For the first step, turn on the stove and after that let the pan heat up. After the pan heat up, you can add the butter to the pan and spread it all over side of pan. Let the butter melted. So, after that, you can add enough corn kernels to the pan, and after that, stir fry the corn kernels until they are being browned. So guys, after the corn kernels being browned, you can cover the pan, and after that, let the kernels being pop and turn into popcorn. And voila, it's already done, and you can see the lot of popcorn now, and you can eat popcorn every day, every minute, every you want to eat popcorn. That's so full, guys. So the tutorial to make donut. The ingredients are flour, sugar, salt, instant yeast, butter, milk powder, milk, and egg yolk. Add all ingredients except liquid milk and salt. After that, you can use a mixer for mix all of ingredients, and after that, you can add liquid milk and salt too. And after that, you can add the butter. And after that, mix again until the dough is smooth and elastic. And after that, after the dough is smooth and elastic, resting for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can press the dough for remove the air, and after that you can shape into a ball, and after that resting again for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can shape again, and after that, resting for 1 hour. So, after resting the dough for 1 hour, you can heat the oil, and after that, cook the donuts until cooked, or the donuts being browned. And voila, the donuts are already done. And this tutorial to make Combro. So for the first step, you should to prepare the oncom, and after that you should to cut the oncom into pieces. After that, fry it into the oncom being browned. And then you should mash the oncom. Then garlic, red onion, aromatic ginger, cayenne pepper, spring onion, and then lemongrass. And after that, mash again, and then you should just stir fry all of ingredients until the ingredients give off the fragrance. And after that, you should add the oncom, and don't forget to stir fry again the oncom until being dry. And look, that's the final. So for the first, you can prepare the cassava and coconut. After that, grate them, and don't forget to squeeze out the cassava and mix them with spring onion and some salt. Mix them again, and after that you can shape it as your taste. This tutorial for making the skin and the filling of Combro being together. For the last step, you can heat the oil, and after that you can add the Combro to the pan and fry the Combro until the color of Combro being golden brown. And voila, the Combro already done.